guys, welcome back to our video again. So today we will be heading to National Biker Weekend 2013. So let's see what's available. Here, 750. Okay, and this is the Piaggio New Adventure Scooter 400cc, XT 400, two colors, Quick 200 GT Tamo, C 400. Okay, they also have the MP3, I guess, the three-wheeler. You got your R18, really chill, nice bike. So here are all the classic design. Enfield Super Meteor 650. So we also have our DF Motos here. The 450 RS SR. That's an inline 2 engine. This is a regular big Rambo brake. Plus it's steep slider for 13,000 machine price. Okay, this is the ZX4R, single R, inline 4. You can see there's a lot of buttons here. Okay, this master pump looks very interesting. Now we head into the tentage, see what's inside. birthday. So he got a touring jacket, so now we gotta redeem lucky draw. Okay, so that's about it. It's all about shopping, buying, and buying. Alright guys, that will be the end for this video. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.